You should know that your skin can become darker around your knees and elbows as well, if you don't take good care of it. The most common reasons for darker underarms are the cosmetic products, such as shaving creams, antiperspirants, regular creams, etc. Fortunately, there is a natural solution. You shouldn't be worried, because we are going to show you the best way to remove the dry and dark skin of your elbows, knees and underarms for good. Here's what you need to do. Natural remedies for darker underarms. Cucumbers. These super healthy vegetables are the perfect tool that can lighten your skin. And, if you mix lemon juice with some cucumbers, you will get the most powerful and most beneficial remedy for lightening your skin, especially on your underarms. Actually, the cucumbers are relieving the tingling sensation, and the lemon whitens your skin. Here's what you need to do. Directions. First, you need to make a mixture between turmeric juice, lemon juice and some cucumber juice. The cucumber juice will cool down your skin, the lemon juice will whiten your skin and it will clean the dead cells off the skin, and the turmeric will prevent staining. How to use it. Here's what you need to do. Just apply the mixture on the affected area on your body. Let it dry for 5 minutes, and then you need to wash it off with some cold water. Note, you can repeat this type of procedure every day, because this procedure is 100% safe. Chickpea flour mask. This home remedy is also extremely efficient for whitening your underarms. Just follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. Ingredients. 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour, 1 pinch of turmeric. Directions. The instructions are very simple. Just mix all the ingredients and stir until you get nice and homogeneous mixture. How to use it. You need to apply this mixture on the affected area and leave it on for 1 hour. After that you need to wash it off with cold water. This extremely powerful and effective mask will saturate, purge and it will whiten your skin. For the first 2 weeks, you need to repeat this whitening method just 2 times every week. Natural remedies for darker skin on the neck. Aloe vera. I think that we all know that aloe vera nourishes and saturates the skin, and it acts like powerful skin lightener. You should also know that it will decrease the appearance of many different skin dots and spots and it will make your skin lighter. Actually, this powerful plant will repair your entire skin, and it will refresh your body as well. Aloe vera has many health properties, and it's anti-cancer plant as well. Here's what you need to do. Directions. The instructions are very easy. All you have to do is apply some aloe vera gel around your neck, and let it on for 20 minutes. Then, you need to wash it off. Repeat this aloe vera method every day, and you will be amazed by the results. Baking soda. Baking soda is remarkable skin exfoliant. It will significantly and effectively rinse and whiten your dark stained skin. If you have dark skin problems, then you should definitely try this method. This powerful combo, baking soda and water, will successfully prevent hyperpigmentation. Directions. Here's what you need to do. Just make a mixture between 1 part of water and 3 parts of baking soda. Then, you need to apply this mixture on your neck and let it dry. After 5 minutes, you need to wash it off with cold water. You need to repeat this baking soda water procedure 2 times every week. You will be amazed by the results. Natural remedies for darker skin on your elbows and knees. Lemon. As we all know, lemon contains high amounts of vitamin C. So, this is why lemon possesses powerful and extremely useful peeling properties. The lemon juice will regenerate your skin, it will remove the dead skin cells from your skin, and it will nourish it. And yes, it tones the skin as well. Directions. Rub the lemon juice on your elbows and knees for 5 minutes. Then, you need to let it act for 20 minutes, and then you should wash it with some warm water. When you are done, apply some nourishing cream on the area. If you want to get even better results, then you can add some honey in the lemon juice. You will be amazed by the results. Sugar. Did you know that you can soothe and peel dead skin cells with sugar granulates? Well, yes, this sugar mask will help you tone the skin. Here's what you need to do. Directions. First, you need to make a thick paste by mixing sugar and olive oil, same amounts of both. Then, you need to apply this mixture on your knees, elbows and rub it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you need to wash it off with cold water. You must repeat this sugar mask procedure once every week, and you will be amazed by the results.